There you go. And
Action.
Yes. Very on brand.
Vids is empowering employees everywhere to create video content. Vids is a game changer because it's allowing our brand team and our video producers to focus on what they do best by putting easy, safe, secure video production in the hands of employees.
Google Vids has given us the ability to create safety content developed by, curated by our own organisation, rather than having to go to market and hire very expensive resources to produce that for us. We're able to do things at about 75% less cost than we were previously. Our adoption of Google Vids didn't come from any kind of strategic or tactical decision making. It was somebody on the factory floor said, this suits me and suits what I need to do. There was no friction to access for them.
Your safety is our top priority. In this session, we'll cover how you can stay safe on our manufacturing floor.
I'm already producing some slides with vids, and then I just send it to the team, so then I can keep the meetings much shorter, then I can have time to do other stuff.
Using Google Vids has been a very interesting process for us. Vids kind of took fire across the entire width and breadth of the organization. There's really not a business area within Trimble that I don't think hasn't benefited from using Vids in some way. It's also inside the Google ecosystem. I don't have to worry about security. I don't have to worry about sharing. This gives everybody something that's collaborative, something that's easy to understand, and has really opened up a whole new vista of sharing information.
Vids is creating a high-gloss 30 to 60-second video with full voiceover and imagery. The amount of content we can produce in the course of hours versus what normally would take weeks or even months has been astounding.